In this video, I'll detail how to see who is connected to your hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phone. So, if you're using a Samsung device and you turn on mobile hotspot, then you expect people to connect to it using your password. So here, I'm going to show you how to see who actually connected to your Samsung phone hotspot. So if I know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Then to see or check who is connected to your hotspot on Samsung Galaxy phone, go to your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on connections, then scroll down, locate mobile hotspot and tethering. Click on mobile hotspot, then you want to ensure you turn on mobile hotspot while others are connected to it. Just scroll down a bit. Underneath where you see mobile data share today, here, then you should see the total number of devices that are connected to your Samsung phone hotspot. Then click on it. Then if you scroll down connected devices, you can see I have Gadget Right and iPhone. So here I have my computer and I have my iPhone connected to my Samsung phone hotspot. So this is how you can easily see who connected to your Samsung phone hotspot. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.